Hi ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to show you pivot tables part 2. So I went in and I did some cleanup of my database. I'm going to come up here and go look up all contacts. You'll see here are all my contacts. There's 5,374. Now I already sent these out to a pivot table and I want to show you the results. But remember that number 5374. When I open up Excel, this has broken down all the contacts in my database and given me a count, 5374. Why is this so relevant? Why is it important to know this? Well, let me just give you a simple example. Let's say you have a sales representative that's come to work for you, and that person's goal is to call all the prospects. And you determine in a given week that your sales representative could call 500 people. Let's just use that number, nice round number. Well, if they're calling almost 4,500 prospects, that's going to take them 9 weeks of work just to call them all once. Knowing numbers will give you a sense of what you can accomplish with your data and create expectations. So having this information in front of you is a great way to really get in touch and get intimate with your Act contacts so you have a real good sense of what's going on. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.